Hey guys, and today I'm going to do a giveaway. A giveaway. A giveaway means like you do like special prizes and then you sell them to somebody. Today I am going to do that. So if you're gonna win my favorite slimes, this is super glossy slime. So if you want to win it, you have to subscribe on my channel, put the notifications on, tell all of your friends to subscribe on my channel, like, and you will get this slime, my favorite slime. It's very glossy. This is the slime that I did in the other video when I was doing the slime. So if you like this video, smash that like button and I hope I'll see you next time. Goodbye.